Hello everyone, this is Drew for Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Kia Forte GT line. This vehicle has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque with the CVT transmission. The GT line is basically like the LXS, but it just looks a bit sportier. You can get the Kia Forte GT above this, which will give you a dual clutch or a manual transmission with a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 201 horsepower. So you have a flat bottom steering wheel in here, the newer Kia logo, pretty nice screen. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this vehicle as well. And it says GT line on the seats, which is nice. It's like synthetic leather with the cloth mixture on the seats. And here's your reverse camera on this vehicle. Let's walk around this Kia. You have the gray exterior on this vehicle, and the Forte GT line. I mean, the GT line and the GT have like the red accents in the grille. And here are the rear seats. You have a deck lid spoiler. It also says GT line on the back. The taillights look pretty good. I think it's for what it is, just like a economy compact sedan. It looks pretty good for that. And as I said, the screen is actually pretty big. Most cars at this price point don't really have a screen that's even as big as this, so that's cool to see. But yeah, so essentially, if you're just, as I said, you basically get the GT line if you want, if you want to get like a, you know, compact Kia Forte, but you want to have a little bit more style, because the regular one just looks okay. I mean, it blends in a lot. It just blends in, but this at least stands out a little bit, you know. Oh, you have drive modes in here, so I'm going to put it in sport mode for this drive. Dang, that's actually quicker than I thought it would be. That's not bad at all. For 147 horsepower, it definitely feels faster than that. I can't even lie. It's not bad at all. I've driven the Kia Forte GT before in both the manual and the DCT, and those are actually pretty fun to drive. And they actually sound good too. Like they have like an active exhaust, and it sounds pretty good. But yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed with the acceleration in this car. I thought it would be really slow because it has 147 horsepower, but that's not the case at all. I mean, obviously with the CVT off the line, CVTs will give you some pretty good acceleration off the line, but yeah, pretty good acceleration right there. No issues there at all. And it seems that you have lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control, which is also a pretty unique feature for a car at this price point. That's actually pretty cool to see as well. And I like how it says GT line on the steering wheel on the bottom of it. It's nice. Yeah, that's pretty good. It actually has pickup. Like this CVT picks up speed pretty quick. A lot of cars with this power, like, you know, they're very sluggish. They don't really, you have to put a lot of effort to get it to move, but you can overtake someone in traffic in this car. Yeah, pretty impressed. Yeah, for an economy sedan, no complaints at all on this car. So you can see your attention level, your trip computer, and a little compass to show which direction you're facing on the screen. Obviously road noise is pretty high in this, as well as tire noise. It's really loud in here. Once again, that's no surprise. just a territory with this kind of vehicle. And yeah, I mean, with the CVT, that's how they sound. Like, you know, just very, the like, it's like, which is, you know, I'm not a big fan of CVTs in general, but you know, most like lower powered cars and economy vehicles have CVTs. That's pretty common, right? And most people don't really care about that. Most people, for most buyers of economy cars, just want a vehicle to get them from point A to point B. They don't care about transmission, they don't care about acceleration, they don't really care about all that stuff. Most people these days who are just looking for a car, like objectively looking for a car, just need a car that'll get them from point A to point B, will give them Apple CarPlay, has a screen, has a backup camera, and is decently comfortable to drive. And honestly, these seats are not bad. Like, they're sporty. Like, they hold me in place really, really well, which is surprising. Like, there's actually like some contours in the seats, like because it's like the GT line, you have sportier seats. They hold you, they feel like buckets, which is really cool too. It holds you in place. They look pretty good, because like a lot of cars like this, will just have cloth seats which have no back support at all. Like, they just it feels like you're sitting on foam. But these seats are really nice. I gotta say, these seats are really, really good. I'm very impressed with the seats in this car and the screen size. Overall, for this Kia Forte GT line, is impressive for what it offers, for what it is, and at the price point. Whether you buy one new or pre-owned, like this one, it's a pretty good price point in like the high teens or like low $20,000 range, right? And like a new Kia will give you the 10-year warranty, pre-owned will give you like a 6-year warranty. That's a pretty good warranty to have. And if you hit this park camera button, it can show you your backup camera, which is decent resolution. And then navigation menu, quiet mode, valet mode, pretty good stuff right there. Phone projection, that's like for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and stuff. You also have carbon fiber interior trim. It's just like, you know, like a glossy look carbon fiber trim. And the headliner has like some interesting material. It's like a foam material, but overall, nice little Kia right here. Thank you for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for pre-owned vehicles like this Kia Forte GT line.